Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So many of you have been asking, where do I find the best Uber Eats promo codes in 2026? So I thought I'd share this video and show you how to go ahead and do this. I've managed to find an Uber Eats discount code that works worldwide. So this works in the UK, USA, and throughout Europe as well. And essentially, guys, this is a promo code that you can redeem in your Uber Eats app or in the website. And it's going to provide your account $100 balance. Now I say dollars, but it will be your local currency. So for me, it's around 70 Great British pounds. But yeah, I was searching on Google and I tried tons of different promo codes for Uber Eats. And the ones that I'm going to show you are by far the very best. Before I show you guys these promo codes, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe, because I will be creating updated tutorials as and when they're needed. So use your mobile phone. I recommend just grab the mobile that you have Uber Eats on. And what you're going to want to do is just open up the internet and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So you can pause the video and copy the address here. It's very important you type it correctly, guys, but basically Cold Coupons is a coupon code website. And they have mostly game codes on here, but I was scrolling through and I actually noticed they had an Uber Eats. Now, to save yourself from scrolling hundreds of pages, there is a search bar, guys, at the top where you can literally just type in Uber Eats. Now, there is only one verified Uber Eats coupon code, but it is, like I said, a $100 free credit code. So this is a code that you can enter in your account or in the basket, and it's going to either remove $100 off your next order or just add it to your account. Because I doubt you're going to create a $100 order, although Uber Eats is super expensive, so you might be able to do that. But anyway, guys, this takes just a few minutes and it's well worth doing, and it's working in 2026 as well. So your Uber Eats promo code does need to be unlocked, and you can see it says it will be revealed after verification. And essentially that's because these are limited codes and you can only get one code per person. Obviously $100 account credit. It's pretty desirable. And yeah, people actually create robots to basically get thousands of dollars. So this limits that and only gives you one code. So click on Get Full Code, and you just need to follow the instructions on this screen, guys. It will take you about 5 minutes, but it is well worth it considering what you're getting. So it says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now, you're going to see a list. So once you scroll down, you're going to see a list of tasks here, and they're all completely free. They do take a few minutes each to complete. But they're things I install and then open in mobile apps, playing mobile games. Really simple things, guys. There's even surveys as well, where you just go follow through the steps. There is a small description for each one, tells you what to do. So basically just follow the text there and complete 2 of these, and if you do that, it will unlock your Uber Eats promo code. So it will be fully revealed in this box, and you simply redeem it in the app or in the website. And this one's going to give you $100 account credit. So that is the best Uber Eats promo code in 2026. You just got to go to Cold Coupons. So make sure you copy that down and find this page, guys, and just make sure you do follow through all of the instructions to unlock your promo code. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.